how to turn off desktop mode in YouTube on your mobile browser. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn off desktop mode in YouTube on your mobile browser. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open any browser on your system. So likewise, I'm opening the Google Chrome browser. Okay, so after you open the browser, you will got such interface. So from here in the search field, you will have to type for youtube.com. So after you type that, you'll have to just go for that. Alright, so as you can see in my mobile device, here is the desktop mode turn on. So to turn off that, you'll have to just tap on that three dot just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here in the last, you will got options like desktop side. So it is now turned on. So to turn off the desktop mode on your YouTube, so you have to turn off this feature from here. So uncheck from here. Alright, so as you can see, after you uncheck or turn off that feature from the browser of your device, you will be able to turn off your desktop mode in the YouTube on your mobile browser. So this is the process. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.